Hello students, today we are going to deal with the remaining activities under the category of brainstorming of the chapter on saying please. Activity given over here is co-locations. First of all, what is co-location, children? It refers to a meaningful group of words that often used together or that are likely to occur together. Suppose, for example, words given here is crystal clear, good enough, best possible, safe and sound, neat and tidy, close together, sick and tired. These are the words used together, likely to be used together. Understood? Such group of words we call it as co-location. Some more given words are great admiration, strong argument, deep thought, great anger, broad daylight, fast train, large amount, strong smell, heavy rain, large collection, strong tea, heavy snow. Now find out the words in column B which co-locate with the words in column B. Regular exercise. Second word from column A to column B is midday meal. Key concept, fast food, try hard, richly decorated, free time, traffic jam, social justice, wild animal. Now make collocations and use in your own sentences. These are the list of given collocated words. You have to join big mistake, big surprise, big failure, big decision, big improvement, big deal, likewise well dressed, well known, well worn, well educated in your sentences. Let's look at the example here. First collocation words are big mistake. They made a big mistake. His dying was not any big surprise. That was the big failure of the team. Marriage is a big decision. There was a big improvement in economy. This audition is a big deal for Smith. John won big money in USA last year. It isn't easy for me. I am a big talker. Now, well dressed, well known, well worn. Let's use it in the sentences. Her children are always very well dressed. Sachin is well-known cricketer. The board was old and well-worn. He is intelligent and well-educated. The teacher is well aware of the situation. He eats a well-balanced meal. They behave well together. The castle is well worth a visit. These were the given sentences for the given table of collocation, children, and you were supposed to use in your own sentences. I have used it for you. If you can make another list of sentences, good enough. Go and try your own vocabulary. Next activity is, sometimes while using a word in a sentence, we have to change its word class. We can make several more words from the root words. First sentence is, I asked Sumit to sharpen my pencil for me. The given word is sharp. Now we have changed this sharp word, root word, and we have made it sharpen, and we have used that in the sentence. I asked Sumit to sharpen my pencil for me. Similarly, next sentence is, Lena was eating a very crunchy apple and obviously enjoying it. Crunch is the given word, which has been changed into crunchy. This picture looks colorful. Color is the given word and we have changed it into colorful, and we have used a sentence, this picture looks colorful. I am afraid that your behavior is just not acceptable. Given word is accept and the changed form is acceptable. I like my elder brother, he is very helpful. Helpful is changed. Help is changed into helpful. Another activity, complete the following table. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb. Now we are supposed to change the basic form of the word and transform it into noun, verb, adjective and adverb. The given noun word is absence. Verb form of absence is absent. Adjective form is absent. Adverb form is absently. Alarm. Verb is alarm. Adjective is alarming. Adverb is alarmingly. Attraction. Verb attract. Adjective attractive. Adverb attractively. Enabler is the noun. Verb form enable. Adjective able. Adverb ably. Given noun word is admiration. Verb admire. Adjective admirable. Adverb admiringly. Agreement is the given noun. Agree is the verb form. Agreeable is the adjective form. Adverb form is agreeably. Application, noun form. Apply, verb form. Adjective form is applicable. Adverb is applicably. Avoidance, noun form. Avoid is the verb. Avoidable, adjective. Adverb is avoidably. Difference, differ, different, differently. One thing you must have noticed, children, here, adverbs are ending in ly. Keep it in your mind. It's your clue. Whenever you want to change any verb form into adverb form, change it into ly form. Understood? Now next is write appropriate expression and words used while facing interview. May I come in? Excuse me. Yes, I am. No, I don't. Sure, I can. Could you repeat that, please? It's my pleasure. Nice to meet you. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. These are the phrases which you all can use as an appropriate expressions and words while facing your interview, children. Keep it in your mind in a locked form. Write appropriate expressions used while writing a complaint letter. When you are drafting a complaint letter, these are the phrases which you all can easily use and draft your complaint letter, children. I'll read it out for you. I disagree. I am afraid that. I expect that. This caused me to. We are still hopeful. I wish to draw your attention. I'd like to complain about. I would be grateful if you. We are disappointed. I await your reply. Activity number, I don't remember the number. Next activity is distinguish between a legal offense and moral offense on the basis of the given text. Now, what is the difference between legal offense and moral offense, children? Burglary is a legal offense. Discourtesy is a moral offense. Bribery, legal offense. Insulting somebody is your moral offense. Murder, obviously a legal offense. Disrespect, it's a moral offense. Riot comes under the category of legal offense. discrimination, moral offense, rape, legal offense, unfriendliness, moral offense, cheating, legal offense, non cooperation, moral offense. These are the categories of moral offense and legal offense. Find out the meaning of the following phrases, use them in your own sentences. Give and take. The given meaning of give and take is compromise, exchange, or mutual concession. Once the positions are set, real negotiations would begin with give and take on both sides. A black eye, to punish someone severely. X, whenever political parties become more corruptive, voters tend to give them a black eye. Lower than the angles, less than perfect. Some students in the class are lower than the angels in mathematics. Knock someone down, to hit or push someone accidentally. Example is, my neighbor was knocked down by a truck. Now find out the words with prefixes and suffixes from the text and write them down. I have listed it already for you. You just write it down in your textbook, children. Prefix is something you are adding at the beginning of the given word. And suffix means you are adding at the end of the given word. Civil is the main root word. Uncivil makes it prefix. Undoubtedly, discourtesy, unpleasant, underground, unfriendliness, inconvenience, unknown, inexhaustible, disagreeable. These are the list of prefixes. Now suffixes are, require is changed to requirement, complain, complainant, punish, punishable, legal, legally, willing, willingness, natural, cheerfully, politeness, peculiarly, connection. These are the list of suffixes. Complete the table with polite expressions that we must use in our day-to-day life. Don'ts and do's here. I want a cup of tea. You can't order your mom here. You have to say it in a polite tone. I would like to have a cup of tea. Send me the mail. Send me the mail, please. This please is a key word, children. Remember to use please everywhere in your day-to-day life. Go away or leave me alone. Let me be here. You are wrong. Do you think that you are right? That's bad idea. Sure, that's not good idea. Your work isn't good. You need to improve your work. These are the change in your expression from rude to polite. You have to keep it in your mind, children. You have to be very polite in your tone whenever you are talking to someone. Then next activity is edit the given paragraph using a and the whenever necessary. Paragraph is already given to you. You have to place a and the. That is articles. Use of articles we are doing over here. Rakesh is an ideal son. Why are we using an here, children? Because I is in vowel. And before vowel we are supposed to use an. Who remains devoted to his father as he grows professionally to become a famous doctor. Is used for a single person. As his father grows old, he takes care to spend time with his father, bringing him tea in the morning and taking him out for a walk in the evening. The is used as a determiner over here. Usage of a and the. Spot the errors and correct them. Radha brought pens and distributed them between her 5 children. There are certain errors over here in the given sentence, children. You have to spot them and rectify those words. Radha brought pens and distributed them among her 5 children. What have we changed over here, children? Between is changed and we have used among her 5 children. Jayashree and Sujata sat besides each other in complete silence. Now what is the error? Jayashree and Sujata sat beside each other in complete silence. Besides is different meaning. Beside is sitting next to each other. His best friend Vijay was blind within one eye. His best friend Vijay was blind in one eye. Within is removed. In one eye is used over here to rectify the mistake. One could dare to encroach on his rights. One could dare to encroach upon his rights. On is changed and rectified to upon. She was taken with surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. She was taken in surprise when she saw the famous Taj Mahal. It is not possible to exchange the goods once the sale has been completed. It is not possible to exchange goods. The goods change to goods once the sale has been completed. Dr. Sengupta has been trying to master the craft for the last 5 years. There is not a single error over here in this sentence. The top ranking candidates will be appointed in senior jobs in banks. The top ranking candidates will be appointed to senior jobs in banks. In senior jobs in banks is wrong. To senior jobs in banks. She knows very well what is expected from her, but she is unable to perform. She knows very well what is expected of her. From her is changed to of her, but she is unable to perform. They will put on a note in this regard for your consideration. They will put up a note in this regard for your consideration. They will put on is changed to put up a note. Now next activity is Santosh purchased a computer. He read the operating manual and followed the instruction. He linked the monitor, keyboard and printer. He plugged in the main cable. He switched on the monitor at the back. When the light appeared on the screen, he placed the day disk in a drive A. He pushed in the disk until the button clicked out. It took about 30 seconds for the computer to load the program. He pressed the drive button and the disk shot out. He replaced the day disk with the document disk. He pressed function key. Now this was the given list of the sentences. Now what is the instruction given here in the activity? Now convert the above sentences into passive voice by filling in the blank. Now fill-ups are being highlighted with the red ink, children. I'll read out all the sentences one by one in the paragraphic form and the answers are being written in the red ink. Firstly, the monitor, keyboard and printer were linked up. Then the main cable was plugged in. The monitor was switched on at the back. When the light appeared on the screen, the day disk was placed in drive A. The disk was pushed in until the button was clicked out. It took the computer 30 seconds to load the program. The drive button was pressed and the disk shot out. The day disk was replaced with document disk. Finally, the function key 7 was pressed. The word processor was then ready to use. Now here everything has been converted into passive voice, okay, in the form of a paragraph. You write down in your notebook as well. Next activity is, children, this is the last activity given over here. Guess the meaning. redress. Columns are being given to you. Match the columns. You have to write down the answers in front of it. Redress means correct. Henpacked, dominated. Endorse, recognize. Countenance, confirmation. Treading, step on. Assured, guaranteed. Moral affront, insult. These were the given activities under the chapter on saying please children. Hopefully you must have understood nicely. Write down all the given answers in your notebook. Thanks for today.